Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down complex topics into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're tackling how to withdraw USDT from Binance in Nigeria for 2025. If you're in Nigeria and dealing with USDT on Binance, you know how tricky regulations and fees can be. But don't worry, I'll guide you through this process step by step, so you can get your funds securely and efficiently. First things first, make sure your Binance account is fully verified. In Nigeria, this often means completing KYC with your NIN or BVN to comply with local laws. Head over to the Binance app or website and log in. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallet section and select USDT from your asset list. This is where you'll see your balance and withdrawal options. Next, click on Withdraw and choose your preferred method. For Nigeria, popular options include bank transfers via P2P trading or directly to a Nigerian bank if available. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Remember, there might be minimum limits and fees, so check those first to avoid surprises. You'll need to input a recipient address or bank details. If using P2P, select a trusted trader on Binance's marketplace. Before confirming, double-check everything. Review the network, like TRC20 for USDT on Tron, which is usually faster and cheaper, and ensure your details are accurate to prevent any transaction failures. Hit Confirm, and you'll likely need to complete a two-factor authentication for security. Once approved, your USDT should arrive in your wallet or bank account within minutes to hours, depending on the method. A quick word of caution: crypto regulations in Nigeria can change, especially by 2025, so always stay updated with the latest from the CBN or Binance announcements. Also, be mindful of taxes and potential scams. Never share your private keys. There you have it, folks. Withdrawing USDT from Binance in Nigeria doesn't have to be a headache. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more guides, and drop your questions in the comments. Let's navigate the crypto world together. See you in the next video.